My dear students, parents, and teachers, today India celebrates 72nd Republic Day. We celebrate the Republic Day every year on 26 January from 1950 because at this day India was declared as the Republic country as well as our constitution came into force. This day has a great importance in the history of India as it tells us all about each and every struggles of Indian freedom fighters. So dears, we cannot forget their sacrifices and we should remember and salute them on such great occasions. We all are truly proud to be the part of world's largest democracy. Our ideal leaders had framed the Constitution of India with a great vision. The Constitution of India declares the country as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Our Constitution assures its citizen justice, equality, liberty, and helps in promoting fraternity without any discrimination based on caste, creed, religion, gender, or place of birth. So, dears, on this day, let's make a promise to strive for justice, freedom, and equal rights for every Indians, and for peace and unity among all who are very fortunate enough to live in this glorious nation. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you so much.